little later, we passed some dancing. And who doesn't like dancing? Especially when it's followed by fireworks. Everyone's no less. All yours.
At Medical Weight Loss Clinic, losing the weight isn't about frozen meals or gimmicks.
No, again, Papa. That do. Papa, do. Papa.
Papa. Wait a minute, who's this? Who's that?
Isa.
Who is that?
Isa.
Is it Sai?
Sai.
Is that Sai?
Sai.
You like Sai? Yeah.
Dear fellow citizen, I know what it's like to buy a house.
Who's Sai?
Who's Sai?
I understand what a scary word retirement is.
Is it Sai?
Because I'm not just a
Who's on Daddy's hat?
Fellow saver?
I'm a fellow citizen.
Let's see.
If you have a question about money, ask me.
Sincerely, Elizabeth.
Who is that?
Isa.
Who is that?
Isa.
Who is it?
Charter one is
He's
now
here.
Is that Sai?
Sai.
help you bank better. Jamie wanted to
You
take
wear
her
Sai?
to New Orleans.
Nothing.
We just couldn't say no to that face.
Teacher.
Thank you. Oh, Daddy gets Sai.
And we wanted more of that
Thank
local
you.
flavor. So Betty said,
No, Sai.
oh yeah.
You want Sai's hat?
Whoa!
Whoa!
And Betty didn't lead us wrong. A little later, we passed some dancing. And who doesn't like dancing? Especially when it's followed by fireworks. Everyone's no less different.
Oh, that's very cute. Look at you.
On the next Big Bang Theory, Sheldon's got a secret. Pictures up. It's like the camera's working. Oh my God.
Thank you.
This is it. Next Big Bang. Watch tomorrow at 7 on CW50.
Sheldon?
Yes?
Listen, they're kind of getting busy in the living room, and I was wondering if I could hang out in here for a while.
Well, I suppose. Come in. I'll sleep in Leonard's room. Good night.
Whoa.